ಈಗ ಮುಚ್ಚಲಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಜಾಗರೂಕರಾಗಿರಿ. The door is about to close. Please be careful.
Then again we will go. And the end of the day we'll bring back the train to but like now 12:43. Each station 2 minutes. Half an hour. Becoming 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes. In 1.5 hour. Plus running on the half an hour. 2 hours. By 2 o'clock we may reach. Sir, whatever possible we'll check that and come back and come. Everybody requesting that bonus, what is the everybody so lunch break. Hard ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಬೆಟರ್. Okay. Station quickly we finish. We are pushing it. 45.